The MVT process is a way that we improve the things that we do through testing and letting the process tell us the way it behaves as opposed to the way that we think it behaves. For MVT, with our company, and we're a commodity chemical company, so we use it in our manufacturing operation, and it improves the way we run. It improves the quality of our products. It improves the cost of our, it helps us make more stuff so we can sell more stuff. And all of those bring financial benefits for us. It delivers approximately $2 million a year in savings for our company.
Brought QualPro in, and in less than 6 months, zero capital dollars, zero cost dollars expended, $23 million in terms of additional capacity and increased sales in a sold-out business.
We did all this in less than 6 months. Average changeover time reduced 44%. Savings of up to $15 million in downtime. We freed up 33,000 line hours of production time across all 3 plants. That got us the extra capacity that we were looking for, and we didn't have to make that $2 million capital investment.
So our goals for improvement were to increase that tons per schedule hour number, which in turn would help us meet our tons per man hour goal. During the screening and the refining in VT, not only the bump in production, but we've taken out some of that variability. Our current level of improvement is about 20% over our historical tons per scheduled hour. So it was interesting and rewarding, and literally in a matter of a couple months, it changed the employees' outlook on the operation.
The management team is extremely happy with the use of MVT because they can get the entire organization involved in the process, from the most sophisticated engineers and scientists to the shop floor, whether it's in the laboratory, in operations, in maintenance. When QualPro folks are working in my organization, they quickly become a significant member of the team. They're tremendously effective at getting folks to work and bringing out the best in the organization.
And the best thing about QualPro and the MVT process is its ability to take a very large number of factors and allow you to very quickly evaluate what their impact is on the process and make very quick improvements in what you need to do. It allowed us to take 17 factors and evaluate them all simultaneously and really determine the best combination of factors to improve our process in a very short period of time.
The other thing that MVTs have done is it's really helped us understand the interactions between the key process variables that have really helped give us better control. And that better process control has now moved its way forward to give us better process stability. That better process stability has resulted in reduced downtime in our manufacturing plants, reduced slow time, and both of those items have resulted in improved production rates and higher capacity. Looking at the previous graph, the improvement in quality, the reduction in new materials claims over that time period is worth $18.7 million.
740 pound per hour average before, 1,026 after. But the average rate out the door was what we were really after. What that shows is a 38% rate improvement. When we compared that to the earnings we see on this annually, we figured $5 million is what we achieved from this.
A 60% reduction in the average duration or the time a stop takes, which equated to about an overall 40% reduction in downtime. And along with those dramatic reductions in our delay times, there's also some other added benefits to this thing. When you don't stop or press, the quality is better. And the reason the quality is better is because you have less variation stopping and going.
So the results, process output went from 0.2 tons per hour to 1 ton per hour. The output achieved is covering growth forecasted by the customer for the next 2 years. We feel that now having a better understanding of our process, we're able to also reduce our cost and improve our production.
We have conducted dozens of MVT experiments, and what's surprising is that in most of the cases, the main effect or answer is not what the experts say. I'd ballpark it at 80+% of the time that it turns out that the largest effect on the process is not something that we would have predicted. The most rewarding aspect of MVT to me has been the accuracy of the results. We found that the accuracy of the results is really great. It generally helps you win. That's one of the most important things I can say about the MVT process is it helps you win.
The financial impact of using MVT over quite a number of years has exceeded $1 billion in my personal experience. And this is true dollars that have impacted the bottom line, the cost sheets, and have flowed through to the earnings coming out of the product lines that were affected. A really significant accomplishment with some very basic tools.